Hi, if you live in the UK like I do, I'm sure you can't help but notice we are going through a mini heat wave at this moment in time, which is extremely welcome, but it does mean it's quite difficult to sleep at nights. So this morning I thought what I would do would be to adorn my swim outfit and take a nice, cool, refreshing dip in the sea just to lower the temperature a little bit and make the day a little bit more bearable. So please feel free to join me. Well, as always, thank you very, very much for watching to the end. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already done so, please do consider joining and subscribing to the channel. It would be much appreciated. And I've got to finally say is, as always, stay safe, stay gorgeous, and until the next time, bye-bye.